Hi beautiful people! Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Joy. This is my 8th update on the Years of Usage eyeshadow project pan created by Sarah Catherine. The goal of this project is for me to use the eyeshadows in the project 24 times because we are in the year 2024. I am working on 4 eyeshadow palettes, and these 4 eyeshadow palettes I also worked on last year. I did not manage to hit 23 uses, that's the goal last year, on all of the eyeshadows in these 4 eyeshadow palettes, so I carried it over. There are a total of 65 eyeshadows in these 4 eyeshadow palettes. I managed to hit goal on 25 eyeshadows last year. So for this year, there are 37 eyeshadows I need to hit 24 uses. So far, in my last update, I managed to hit goal already, a total of 22 eyeshadows. Last update and the update before that, so that was my 6th and my 7th update, I managed to hit goal on 6 eyeshadows each. For this update, I managed to hit goal on 4 eyeshadows. It's not so bad comparing to the earlier updates I had because I managed to hit goal mostly in my updates 2 eyeshadows, but this time I managed to hit goal on 4. And all the 4 eyeshadows are actually coming from each of the eyeshadow here. So 1 eyeshadow I hit goal on for this update for each eyeshadow palette. Let me start with the eyeshadow that I use the most and I managed to hit goal on. And it's coming from this eyeshadow palette, Etude House Trench Coat Showroom. For this palette, there are just 2 eyeshadows I haven't hit goal on. And it is this shade, Coat Hanger and Military Look. For Coat Hanger, I used that 8 times and I am now at 24 uses. For Military Look, I am at 13 uses. So that's the one I am focusing on. Should I say that? So that I'll be able to hit goal on this by the end of the year. And then I can say that I have finally hit goal on all of the eyeshadows in this palette. The other eyeshadow, the next eyeshadow rather, with the most number of uses, so this one is 8. Then here, I used 7 times and I also hit goal on. And it is this eyeshadow called Copper Coins. So for this palette, there are more eyeshadows I haven't hit goal on yet. I haven't hit goal on Penguin yet. So this one, I am now at 14 uses. I used this 4 times in this update. Then Mixed Berries, this purple shade, I used this 3 times. I am now at 12 uses. So these 2, I'm still need to use more than the other eyeshadows in this eyeshadow palette. So for this one, another eyeshadow I haven't hit goal on yet. This is called Cloudberry. I am now at 19 uses. And then we have Pumpkin and this Pine Tree. I have used this 13 times now. And the one that I haven't hit goal on yet with the most number of uses is this shade Petrol. Petrol I've been using as an eyeliner. This is actually a metal blue shade. So I am now at 22 uses. Definitely in my next update, I can say that I've hit goal on this one. And then, the next eyeshadow with the most number of uses that I hit goal on next. So here we have 8 uses, 8 uses, 7 uses, and this one, it's 4 uses. I managed now to hit goal on this shade, this Glam Rock shade. For this eyeshadow palette, I still have to hit goal on Punk, Wild Thing, and Heavy Metal. So there are still 3 eyeshadows in here. But for Wild Thing and Heavy Metal, both of them, I'm already at 20 uses. So just 4 uses each. Between the two, I can work on this one, Wild Thing. But for Heavy Metal, I'm actually having difficulty working on that one as well as Punk. This one, it looks like I may be able to hit goal on Wild Thing and Heavy Metal, given that I just need to use four times each of the eyeshadow. But for Punk, I am just at 7 uses, so still a long way to go. And then lastly, from Beauty Glaze, there are 2 shades here that I haven't hit goal on yet, and it is the shade Apricot and Bisque in my previous update. For this update, I managed to hit goal on Apricot already. I just needed to use this 3 times to hit 24 uses. Bisque, still a long way because I just used this 8 times. So the eyeshadows, Bisque, still a long way. From Glam Metals, the eyeshadow left that I might leave or haven't hit goal on in my next update would be Punk, because it's just at 7 uses. And then the others, for Military Look, I'm already at 13. So there's a chance I may be able to hit goal on this update in this year rather. And then for Soft X eyeshadow palette, I might be able to hit goal on all of the eyeshadows because I have used all of them more than 10 times. So the least use would be Mixed Berries. But this one, I've found a way to work on this. I mean, what combination to use this? I'm using it with another eyeshadow palette. The thing is, I tried to use it with the companion palette that I was also doing, but it doesn't work as I hope it would. So I chose another eyeshadow to work on together with that eyeshadow. So that's my update for this Years of Usage eyeshadow project pan created by Sarah Catherine. Thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!